Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting the photo and instructions ready. Do this now. Upload the image to Gemini following its format limits, then type or speak concise edit requests, exact crop, color, or retouch details. Once uploaded, confirm the reference area by marking or describing it. Make sure to state final size and output format. This direct start avoids back and forth and gives Gemini immediate constraints, so edits are accurate on the first pass and you save time. Once the image and base instructions are in, guide Gemini through precise changes. Tell it to remove or replace objects, tweak exposure by a specific number, or apply a named style. Explain why you want each change. After Gemini returns results, compare variants and request targeted tweaks, pinpoint a region, or cite exact percentage adjustments. This iterative back and forth refines the algorithm's choices. Make sure to save each version so you can revert or combine elements. You finish by approving the best edit and specifying export parameters, such as format, DPI, and compression. If you see artifacts or mismatched lighting, ask Gemini for denoising, edge reconstruction, or to upsamples using higher resolution guidance. Explain where the issue appears. If edits diverge significantly, revert to the original and try a cleaner, stepwise prompt. This fixes persistent errors. One key troubleshooting tip: when results break down, simplify instructions and process changes one at a time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.